Hey guys, Jackson here. Today gonna be the three name tag trick. I gonna teach you the three name tag tricks. And let's start it out. First is dinner bone. The mobs will become upside down. Any mobs? Okay, name it dinner bone. If you name the mobs dinner bone, will become upside down. Because you name this. It's already upside down. This is already upside down. Next is the rainbow ship. I'm gonna do the rainbow ship. Name Jeb. The rainbow ship. Where's the ship? Where's the ship? Where's the ship? The ship is it have a random color. If you name it Jeb, the ship have a random color. Name this the random color. Next is toast. It's only for the rabbit, not any mobs. Toast. And where's the rabbit? I gonna spawn rabbit. Here. They're running. I got an idea. I will be back then. I will block it. Though we cannot run away. Just gonna make this. This spawn rabbit and name it still running. Okay, just do this. If you name it toast, it's like it's toast now. This don't he rabbit no skin now. Name this toast. Okay, the rabbit is very fast. Okay, I will not just anymore. That's enough for video. Just click. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If you don't, just click subscribe and leave a comment. And bye and peace.